to stay here alone. I know it's all over, but the last goodbye. Oh.
Let's do this! Are you ready for a comeback? Are you ready to fly? Are you ready for the moment? Get ready to ride. Calling all the fighters, calling on survivors. Are you up all night?
Snowbirds,
We can get
now.
Let's do this!
Your 2023 Canadian Forces Snowbirds.
Smoke off now. Pull now.
Let's
Move now. Riding in the rattler. Pull now.
Next up from the right, the Card 7 Pass.
I know it's 10:35 and I'm thinking, God, you found me, that you found me. Every day I go places in my head, darker thoughts are hanging on, they look like monsters in my bed. And every time it's like a rocket, though I'm just the TV make you think the whole world's about to end. I don't know when this is
Accurate flying is essential for our two inner pilots. Flying in the inner right.
Yep. That was a very nice timing down low.
You know my life is like video, family got it. Almost got that Grammy, but I guess they don't do fancy like me. But I'm cool with it. I got Romas on my Prius, rolling down the road with Jesus, and my food and Applebee's is for free. My life is like parties overseas, monkey in the middle with my money and my dreams. My life is like parties overseas.
the right as Snowbird 8 will flex his leg muscles, apply a boot full of rudder, and set up for the knife edge pass.
Look now. Riding in the knife edge.
Everybody's watching. Pretty little thing, baby. Tell me what's your fantasy.
Easy up.
Come close and let's talk about it.
Okay.
Why not? I've never seen.
Perform the stack, change to box wrap.
I talk it, I live it. What we do behind doors is our business. On my body, he giving me kisses. I'm wet when I'm wet, I'm popping like Adderall. Baby, dive in my beach and go swimming. Let's go deep, cause you know there's no limits. Nothing stronger than you when I'm sipping. I'm still gonna finish, I'm drunk, I ain't had enough. One day you hit and you close, telling me lies and it's killing me slowly. Yeah, yeah. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. What is love?
Now.
Let's get this circus on down the road. We're taking best of all and taking gas for gold. Location changes almost every other night.
Riding triple up. Easing up. Pump left off.
So somebody please keep me in the hell out of the Santa winter. The Santa winter. Just keep
Turn now. Look off now.
Let's watch as Snowbirds 1 through 7 conduct the Vic. Change to wedge, change to arrow wrap. arrow, bottom side pass. There is Snowbird 8 with the tuck away.
Go now. Go now. Running in the 1.5 inverted. Easy up. Go now.
All I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me and when they see me. They been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I'll be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up, see my flow volcanic, this the fire I erupt. Heard the fans getting rowdy cause they haven't had enough. You know
I'm on airplane mode this weekend, so don't call me on my phone. I'm so high, I'm can't call down this feeling.
The Snowbirds would like to dedicate today's Kaleidoscope to Karen and Cassie Sparks. Thanks for joining us here today.
Snowbirds, quit now. Contact! Contact! Roll now.
Serving a piece, working, we serving the streets. About to go and go a beast. Bang, bang, leave, sleep. Tick, tick, boom. Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make me resort to wild. You must be by the diamond fighting. And it could be this way, but y'all won't need to try this. So it's no way around it. You the loudest one, it's still quiet. Working, we serving the streets. About to go and go a beast. Bang, bang, leave sleep.
where everything's safe and it doesn't get worse on mine. From the light, are we just too scared to fight for what we want tonight? Close your eyes and leave it all behind. Know our love is on our side. It's a trust fall, baby. It's a trust fall, baby. You and I and everyone alive. We can run to the fire. It's a trust fall, baby. Yeah, it's a trust fall,
Voler au bord de notre grande formation nécessite un vol agressif et réactif de la part de nos pilotes extérieurs. Snowbird 6, le capitaine Steven Sparks est l'aile droite extérieure, originaire de Hamilton en Ontario. Le capitaine Sparks est un ancien pilote aux normes sur le Harvard 2 et il apporte plus de 2100 heures de vol à l'équipe. Dans le poste de l'aile gauche extérieure se trouve Snowbird 7, le capitaine Dominic Apolloni, originaire de Winnipeg au Manitoba. Capitaine Apolloni est un ancien pilote de Harvard 2 et apporte plus de 2000 heures dans un siège éjectable à l'équipe. From the left, the Mini Concorde bottom side pass. The role of the solo is both physically and mentally demanding, and it involves split-second decision-making from Snowbird 8, Captain Marc-Andre Plante from Angus, Ontario. Captain Plante is a former CT-156 Harvard 2 instructor pilot and brings over 2,000 hours of military flying experience to the team.
It's more than some bricks and stone. No, there ain't nothing like home sweet. You and me ain't got much, but we got.
Leading a 9-plane aerobatic team requires finesse and superior situational awareness from Snowbird 1, the boss, Major Brett Parker, from the City of Champions, Edmonton, Alberta. Find more information and proceed with the final part of our show.
Quarter acre in a 2-bed farmhouse, Polaroid kiss with a red sold sign.
Sitting on boxes in the living room, laughing and crying, just staring at them 2 pink lines.
Ooh, yeah. Time to make a little more room in our home sweet. You and me, yeah, we got it all, and you're still all I need. Wherever the wind blows, wherever this life goes, baby, all I know
de nos appareils a prouvé des difficultés mineures et par mesure de précaution, on vient de l'atterrir. Maintenant que l'avion est au sol, on pourra continuer avec notre passe finale.
Take care.
Your 2023 Canadian Forces Snowbirds. British Columbia. Our lead ABN, Corporal Justin Chantidat from Mississauga, Ontario. Our Deputy Crew Chief, Caporal Chef Vincent Brouillette de Trois-Rivières, Québec. And our tech coordinator here at Show Center with us today on the camera is Corporal Carla Oliveira Mesa from Ottawa, Ontario. In trail where each pilot will conduct their own individual landing. You have now witnessed the 2,783rd show in the Snowbirds' 53-year history. Au nom de notre commandant, le lieutenant-colonel Dennis Bandett, et de tous les membres de l'escadron de démonstration aérienne 431. On behalf of our commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Dennis Bandett, and all members of 431 Air Demonstration Squadron, thank you for joining us today. It's been our pleasure.
Very much. Let's give them another big round of applause and a round of honking horns. Your Canadian Forces Snowbirds. Rich, Eric, it has been an absolute pleasure working with you this season. An absolute delight. I hope that our paths will cross again real soon. As we recover our Snowbirds, I'll let you know what the plan is moving forward. We've got lots of air shows still to be launching the F-15 Eagle, and we'll be putting them in a hold so that they can get ready for their performance. We need to depart. We also have the Royal Canadian Air Force Harvard 2s coming up. We've got Trevor Rafferty in the Pitts Model 12, as well as the International Test Pilot School Albatron, and of course Canadian Grace. I'd like to say thank you to Nikon, the official title sponsor of the Nikon Yellow Zone. Nikon also generously provides all the lanyards you see our volunteers and VIPs wearing here at SkyDrive. Make sure to enter the Nikon photo contest by using the hashtag Nikon SkyDrive on Instagram. Full contest details on the Airshow London app. Pratt & Whitney would like to welcome you to the 2023 Airshow London. Pratt & Whitney is a world leader in the design, manufacture, and service of aircraft engines and auxiliary power units. Pratt & Whitney proudly supports the Royal Canadian Air Force and look forward to providing the F-135 engine, which will power Canada's F-35 fleet.